How to fix Mercedes app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. You have to update the app. For that, open your App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Mercedes and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be fixed. Solution 2. You have to clear the cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Scroll down, head towards the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Now from here, find the app Mercedes. Once you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. After completion of upload process, click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. After you delete the app, open your App Store. Now search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Mercedes app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.